Hey guys, my name is Arijit and welcome to this video, and today I'm going to talk about what you need to do in order to integrate your email marketing software or application with Thrive Lead or any kind of lead generation software you use. So basically the thing is going to be same for each and everything, whether you use lead pages, whether you use Insta pages. By the way, I've linked down in my description a link to lead pages and Insta pages, including the email marketing software that I use. This is quite cool and you can check it out from the link down below. And coming back to the point, what this strategy is in order to make people enter their name and email ID, you have to integrate them with the email marketing sequence. So that is what you're going to learn in this video, and in my upcoming videos, I'm going to dive deeper into building all these things and starting from scratch so that you get the idea of how to do this affiliate marketing strategies that I do personally as well and make sales from that. So coming back to the point, I'll show you what email marketing software I am going to integrate. So first, in order to, like, you can see from this list, all this list that I've generated is because I've created an email marketing opt-in form in my landing page. In my previous video, I've showed you how to create a free incentive bonus, right? So say for example, in weight loss niche, people might get interested into giving their name and email ID if you provide them a free ebook, if you provide them a free course, if you provide them a free video. So that is what is going to happen in these videos and in my upcoming videos. I've already talked about how you need to find all those resources. If you don't have a PDF, you don't have anything to give them for free, how to find them and how to integrate them. In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate the process. You can see from the list, what you need to do first is go to SendinBlue account, and from there you have to create a list first. So click on the list section, go to campaigns, then going to list. So after going to list, all you have to do is create a new list, and you can type in any name that you want to give. This is just for you to remember what list that is all about, and that's it. So after you create that list, then we are going to use Thrive themes in this case, as because I already purchased this and I'm going to use this to build landing pages as well. So in Thrive leads, all you have to do is in the WordPress dashboard, go to you would find a Thrive dashboard option down below. So go to Thrive dashboard. After you click on that, you would see something like this. Then go to API connections and click on manage connections. After you click on that, a new page will open, and this is where you have to integrate your email marketing software. Whichever software you use, you can integrate that with this. It has a bunch of software, so don't think like I'm using SendinBlue, that means you have to use that also. By the way, I put a link down in the description for SendinBlue as well if you don't find any link on the internet or anything like that. That is a free trial version, so you can test it out. So after that, add new connection, click on add new connection, and from the drop down list, you can see a plethora of applications you can integrate with Thrive themes. This is quite interesting, and you can use GoToWebinar if you do that stuff. You can use MailChimp, you can use Infusionsoft, you can use GetResponse. If you have a GetResponse account, you can use that as well. You don't need to do anything. So all you have to do is enter the API key that they provide you in the GetResponse. Like I can show you from this thing, SendinBlue, where from I got the API key. So you can go to just hover over your name and click on it, and you can see from this third last option, SMTP and API. Just click on API and a new box will open, and from there you would get your API key. So you can see from here. So this is what you have to integrate. I've already integrated my SendinBlue account, so I cannot show you right now how to do that, but I've showed you how to integrate a new account. All you have to do is enter the API key and click on connect, and automatically that would connect. So this is how you have to do or integrate your email marketing software with the landing page. So that is how you do it. So as and when this is completed, then go back to your email marketing software, create a new list, click on campaigns. After you click on campaigns, you would get a drop down list in the left hand side. Click on contacts and then click on list. And from this list, you can create a bunch of lists for different affiliate products. So say for example, I'm going to show you how to create a list. So you type in a list name. So let's say we are doing the dating niche. So HSO, that is his secret obsession. I'll just name something so that I can understand or identify what this list is all about. And then after that, you click on add a contact or even import a file. If you have a list from somewhere, you can do that as well. So I'll put email ID. So this is it, and then after that, just select the list. It will automatically be selected. Don't need to do anything. Just click on save and close, and a new list is created. So now what you need to do is, after creating a new list, you have to create an automation for that. So how do you do that? Click on automations tab, and this is quite important because you cannot send a email to each and everyone that signs up to your opt-in page, right? Say for example, it's middle of the night and someone signed up. You cannot just wake up in middle of the night and send an email. So this is why we create automations. Just click on create a new workflow, and from this you can see all of this. I've already described each and every section in my previous first video related to SendinBlue. You can check it out from the playlist, and then you click on a welcome message, and from here you have to create each and every automatic emails or templates, and you just have to integrate that. So you select a list from here. So you can select the list. You can put something like 3 seconds, wait for 3 seconds for each email to send. That way it doesn't overload your server or the email marketing server. Then from here you have to select an automation email. All these things won't be populated in your list. First you have to create a template. So you can see from the blue section, blue link, just click on that, create a new template. After you click on create a new template, you would get an option to name your template. So this is what you can say anything about. This is not going to be shown to your email list, but this is also something for you to relate what this template is all about. So I'm going to say HSO template. What should be the subject line? So for subject lines, you can go to the affiliate affiliate link from the product page, and you can find all the relevant titles you can provide, or even email swipes. You can you can find sample emails as well from here. So you just have to just modify a little bit. Don't just copy from each and everything from here, because these email lists are created. These are emails that are created just to give you a head start of what you can do. Don't just copy, because these emails are not going to convert in any way. You can see from here, uh, if I select some, and mostly you have to create a title. This subject line is going to be seen in the email that you send to your subscribers basically. So you have to create a catchy title in order to make them open the email. So that way it creates 100% open rate. So you can see from here the number one reason you're not his priority anymore. Why? Maybe something a bit interesting. You can search in the email swipes and find out what you think of that is going to be interesting, and you just copy that. Or if you can write up anything related to this niche, that's a good way to do also. Say for example, I selected this one: the most powerful emotion for men fall in love with women who do this. So I copy this one. I'll put the subject line here, select from here. This is the name of this is my company name. So then you do what? Then you click on next, and this is where the fun stuff comes in. You create drag and drop editor, and from here you can create an email template. So this is the most interesting thing with this software. You can see from here, like, you can create any kind of template that you feel like. So I'll use one template right now. I'll put a logo up in the header section, then put a title. Then I don't need an extra image. So I'll just delete that image right now. Even I'm going to delete this section also. I don't need this one. Just a simple text email, and that's it. You don't need any professional looking emails, because this is just to educate you, like what you can do. So after you create all the email templates, you just have to click on save and quit. In the top right corner you would see a green button. So after you have created all the email templates and written all the email copy that you are going to send to your subscribers, so after you click on save and continue, you have to click on save and activate. So that way it would get activated. Then click on save and quit. Then go back to your email opt-in section where you were creating automation emails. After that, you click on refresh the list and select a template that you just created. So this is the template, it automatically popped up. HSO template, just click on that and click on finish. So we have now created the automation email sequence for our landing page. So this is how you create an automated email sequence. And in my next upcoming videos, I'm going to show you how to properly do this. This is just to give you a basic idea of how to do this. I'm not going to teach you in a technical aspect manner, just because in my upcoming videos I'm going to show you what you need to do in order to create and how to integrate that with your landing pages. That way I believe you would learn more how to do this. This is just to give you a generic idea of how to integrate your email marketing with the landing page software, and that's it. So if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon also, so that you get notified as soon as new videos get uploaded. I'll catch up with you in my next video.